To wash your L300 Go cuff, start by confirming your L300 Go system is completely powered off. Then remove the cuff from your leg. Next, remove the EPG from the cuff as well as the electrodes. Never wash the cuff with electronics attached. Hand wash the cuff in cold water using a mild detergent. Avoid bleach, fabric softeners, or harsh chemicals. Gently scrub with your hands, then rinse thoroughly. Do not wring or twist the material. Lay the cuff flat to air dry completely before reattaching the electrodes or the EPG. Regular cleaning helps maintain hygiene, so aim to wash your cuff on a regular schedule or whenever it becomes visibly soiled. If you use your cuff heavily or in environments with frequent sweat or dirt, you may want to purchase an additional cloth cuff, available without the EPG, so you can rotate between clean cuffs. Just call us today and ask our team for details.